Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We are out here in Independence, Missouri. This is one of our 4-step full scope foundation repair projects where we are straightening the wall to vertical, installing our King Piers underneath the existing footing, installing our steel H-beam wall braces, and then finally epoxy injecting the foundation cracks. So right now we have the full interior side of the wall exposed. We are beginning to get our materials brought inside where we're going to start setting up our angle iron and 6x6 treated wood support post, our 30-ton hydraulic bottle jacks, and probably tomorrow we will start getting this wall straightened and start the piering, get the crack repair done, and then finish up with the wall braces. So luckily, with some of the heavy rains we've been having recently, there's really no leaking coming through the cracks here on the, this is the side of the house right here. All of the water infiltration was coming through. This is the inside of the front wall. I was out here Monday taking care of sealing these areas with both our fast setting epoxy and then a final coat of polyurethane. Looks like everything held up with the rain we had yesterday. Right here there was some a type of rubber material that had been sealed over the wall, the surface of the wall previously. It wasn't in the crack. We were able to chisel a lot of the existing loose concrete out of that corner and just inject that epoxy directly into it. No ports necessary on this one, and then we could just get the final coat of polyurethane over the top there once that first set of epoxy dried. This one looks like it had been attempted to be injected previously, but you can see right here this material has cracked. This is actually a good example to show why we put polyurethane over the top of the epoxy. That epoxy, if there's any shifting in the wall after you do epoxy, it's hard, it can crack. That polyurethane, though, that we put over the top, it's designed to expand and contract if there's any shifting or movement in the walls, so that crack will not show. So that's why we finish up with a final coat of polyurethane. So we'll be able to clean this up as well once we get everything, get the wall straightened, get the footing piered. But we should have most of the excavation done. We've relieved all the pressure on the outside of this wall that caused it to lean inward in the first place. So now that that part's taken care of, we can start getting the inside dealt with and start getting this wall pushed back, as it's much easier to push against air than it is against earth. Just takes a little bit longer to do that, do our due diligence on the excavation, and then it's pretty much smooth sailing from there. So we should be getting the inside taken care of today. We'll finish up the excavation for the 2 piers we're going to be installing probably either later this afternoon or tomorrow, and we'll probably be looking to start installing all the steel, if not the end of this week, then beginning of next week, and wrap this project up. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can find these on YouTube and Facebook if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com. And again, don't forget, you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.